Penny here with Swiss Watch Expo, looking at one of our classic Rolex ladies Datejust. This is the ladies 26mm size, so it's the very traditional ladies size, and of course it's got all the hallmarks of a classic Rolex watch. It's got the oyster Rolex case shape. It's got the presidential bracelet because this is a Rolex presidential, made entirely out of 18 karat white gold, so it goes with everything. The hidden Rolex clasp with the Rolex crown, so it just looks great from all angles on your wrist. It's got a diamond bezel and diamond lugs to add that extra bit of sparkle and shine and Rolex luxury to this watch. And of course, the dial is made out of this gorgeous sodalite. The Rolex Presidential Collection is where Rolex gets a little bit experimental with their dials. They've done woods, they've done obviously different types of stone, and of course lots of different types of textures and fun, interesting colors on their presidents. This watch is no different. This also has the classic, Rolex bubble for the date. That's how you can tell it's a Rolex, and gorgeous diamond hour markers. All in all, this watch is just such a beautiful, classic Rolex watch that just looks great on any lady's wrist. Check this one out and all of our Rolex Lady Datejusts at SwissWatchExpo.com.